Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Wisdom. Welcome to another simple tutorial video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your username of your YouTube channel, and let's start the video. So go to your YouTube profile first of all. Now click the profile icon on top of your right click here, and you can see the option your channel does. Just click on that option, and as you can see the button is like a pen button. This is the edit option. Just click the pen, and you can see the option handle. This is your username. YouTube call it handle. So to change is click the pen button again. This is also the edit button here. Now as you can see, I can change my handle or username here. Just give the username that you like, and you have to be sure that your username is available, and my username is available. So click the save option, and there you go. As you can see that my username or handle has been changed. So that is it for today's video. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel. See you guys on another simple tutorial. Until then, take care.